What is that?
Steering wheel bolts, titanium steering wheel bolts.
Yeah, that group buy joke died a long time ago, bro.
Oh my god. Is that real titanium or just like painting?
Who knows? Could be fake.
What corny things are doing out in this car?
Come look. Come
What
look.
are you doing?
Lightweight titanium bolts.
Oh my god.
Right.
Probably losing half an ounce. Wow, I'm saving a lot of weight actually. Look how long this stupid bolt is. Does that bolt really need to be that long? Oh yeah, it's a lot lighter. It's the right thing to do. Probably saving half an ounce. Add a splash of color on my interior.
You already have a splash of color. Look at your mats. Starting to tint a lot more Teslas now that it's so hot. Photo sync 30 on all the sides in the back window. Pretty nice and simple. A little extra bit of privacy, but it also cuts down a lot of the heat. I have no idea how anyone in Houston is driving their cars without any good tint. It is just unbearable. So this should help a lot. Keep it nice and cool on the inside. G-Wagon is in today. We're gonna be doing a chrome delete on certain pieces. Right now we're trying to figure out which one we're doing.
You have your ultimates favorites here, bro.
This is my
The
ultimate.
G-Wagon, bro.
Wrapping it first, the door steps, paint all the badges. We're gonna paint the front roll bar. We're gonna wrap half the front grille. We're gonna wrap these black. And then we're also gonna wrap the tire cover in black. So almost all the chrome besides the emblem is gonna go black.
You know, it'd be so dope. Owning a G-Wagon and like treating it like how they used to treat G-Wagons when they were purpose-built military vehicles.
Wow, you're doing great, Sean.
Everything's already done, bro.
Nice. Once chrome, not anymore. As you can see, we already gotten this side one done, and it's looking good. It's actually the door handle a little bit better. We have the full front and all the chrome pieces kind of taken off already. We're working on the brush guard that's taken off. Trying to see if we can dechrome that. Hello? Go to you over the phone. Brush guard for a car.
Stainless. You don't need to pull 8 feet.
Just because my favorite car to me, I know every piece of it. Rap Dojo Lesson 42.
Dojo lesson 41.
Know your favorite car inside and out.
From the car you wrapping inside out. You need to be able to drop engine. If you cannot do that, you cannot wrap anything.
Literally.
Is that true?
Imagine it'd be very difficult.
I'm taking the headlight out.
You guys may have seen this. Some of the G-Wagons have this little cool feature, or they have this thing where it's like a cage that goes over the blinkers on both sides. I guess it's to protect it. So this is the cage I'm talking about. It goes over the blinker like this. Gives it sort of like a safari look. It's pretty cool. I like it. That's cool.
Just come back to it when it's done.
So right now you're doing the headlights? Oh, that's so cool.
Open it.
Looks like a cage. Sick.
So you can still wash your headlights.
One of my favorite cars. Loved how this little project came out. Mercedes G63. Two main things that we did to this G-Wagon. All the chrome that you see was wrapped in satin black. The chrome strips that run all along the sides of the car. The spare tire carrier. Even the door steps were wrapped in satin black. We painted the badges to match since they were a little bit easier than actually wrapping those. And for the brush guard, we got that powder coat. That came out incredibly nice. Really happy with how that looks. And it just goes along with the whole theme of it. And to give it a little bit more of a safari look, we put these safari cages around the turn signal lamps and the headlights. That way, in case you run into any brushes in the city or things like that, you know that your headlamps and your turn signals are protected. See? It works well. Nothing's getting inside. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info description down below. We will see you next time.